Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Burnett. I just wanted to give you a few tips about logging into USA Test Prep. On Monday, I went over how to create an account. So if you've not done that yet, you'll want to go back to the blog post on Monday and watch that video. So today, this video is about how to log in as a member. So we're on the member login, and you can see that's what it already says at the top of the page. Durham 41, lowercase. And I'm logging in with my made-up student. We used the first initial, and then we tried to use our lunch number, but you may have had to do something else. All right, so this is the page that you should see. Most of you have already taken care of joining a class. Today, this is the assignment that you are to complete, the proportion review. Please ignore that it says duplicate. That came down to Mrs. Rudd and I trying to figure out how to create the assignment and share it. So this is the due date. We've given you a week to complete it, but this is where we're interested in what you need to do. This is where you begin the task. When you click there, it's going to take you here. It gives you a code. You want to load the test. This is going to be on unit rate problems and percent. There's 16 questions. There's a place to highlight. If you click on the highlighter, if I am looking at something, I can hover over it and it's going to highlight that. So that's just a tool to help you as you're reading through word problems. When you are finished with the test, you will need to 16 questions. You can click on grade my test now or save for me to complete later. If you get interrupted, you're hungry, your little brother's yelling at you and saying, I need your help right now. So just know that you can stop your test. You don't have to do it uninterrupted. If you will go back up to the beginning, there are a couple little things that I do want to show you that are available for additional practice. And under here, we're the Georgia Middle School. This is a new feature that didn't show up earlier. Maybe if you logged in on Monday, Mrs. Drawdy pointed out to us that it was there today. So your Georgia Middle School, you'll want to make sure you click on that. Then it pulls up the 6th through 8th grade, and you would click on math. And when you go there, it has all of the topics that we have learned so far this year, and it allows you to take some practice tests, to go through some flashcards, to work on some things in the glossary, and you can take some tests. You get a progress report. There's an item of the day. Is it a question, a vocabulary, or a video? You can click on any of those. Just explore it. That's what I would like for you to do. For the game arcade, that's probably where you're going to be a little bit more interested in looking at. When you click on the game arcade, a lot of different games will come up. You'll notice that some are free and some say they require tokens. You earn tokens by completing different games and completing different tasks. So if you went back up to your name and you saw this tokens, Jim's earned 0 tokens. He hasn't done anything in USA Test Prep. So the ones that are free that you can start and practice. So know that home can always take you back to where you need to go. This will give you an idea of what's been graded or any messages. But after you finish this assignment, I would like for you to just take a few minutes and go in and do some practice, because that's, never hurts any of us to practice some of the things that we've learned. I hope you have a great day, and show me what you know how to do.